Welcome to our gardening channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. In this exciting video, we're diving deep into the fascinating and colorful world of succulents. Specifically, we will be focusing on an incredible plant known as coral aloe. This succulent is not only visually striking with its unique rosette of fleshy, coral-colored leaves, but also features delicate, tubular flowers that add a delightful touch of beauty to any garden or indoor space. Coral aloe, with its stunning appearance, is truly a feast for the eyes, and it also offers a wonderful opportunity for those who love to cultivate plants. One of the most rewarding aspects of growing succulents like coral aloe is learning how to propagate them effectively. Today, we'll be exploring the process of propagation through offsets, commonly referred to as pups. These pups are small, baby plants that grow at the base of the parent plant and can be separated to create new, independent plants. Now, let's take a closer look at our coral aloe plant to identify the pups that are ready for separation. Begin by examining the base of the main aloe plant, where you may notice small offsets, or pups, starting to grow. These pups should be approximately 1/4 the size of the mother plant, with a few leaves of their own and visible roots. These characteristics indicate that the pups are mature enough to be separated and propagated successfully. Upon closer inspection, you may find that your coral aloe plant only has one pup. But fear not, this pup appears to be the perfect candidate for propagation. Its size, leaf count, and visible roots all suggest that it is ready to be separated and planted on its own. When you're ready to separate the pup from the mother plant, take a moment to carefully locate where they are connected. Use your hand trowel or a sharp knife to make a clean, precise cut. Be sure to include as many roots as possible to ensure the new plant has a strong foundation to grow from. It's important to make a clean cut to help the plant heal quickly and minimize the risk of infection. By taking your time and being meticulous in this process, you are setting your new plant up for success and healthy growth in the future. Once separated, place the pup on a paper towel and let it dry for about 1 to 2 days. This allows it to form a callus over the cut area, which helps prevent rot when planted. Here is the adorable puppy that we recently separated from its mother. This precious little pup has vibrant reddish-orange markings and a soft, fluffy coat that is reminiscent of its stunning mother. Next, before planting your succulent, ensure that you have prepared your pot with the appropriate soil mixture. It is crucial that you use well-draining potting soil specifically designed for cacti and succulents to ensure proper growth and prevent root rot. The soil should be light, airy, and able to retain just enough moisture without becoming waterlogged. Now that we have our new plant ready to be potted, it's important to ensure it has a comfortable and secure home. Gently placing the pup in the container, you carefully leave enough room for the succulent to fit comfortably inside, making sure that it stands upright. Take your time to carefully add more soil around the edges of the pot to secure the succulent in place, gently patting it down to eliminate any air pockets. This process not only provides stability for the plant, but also ensures that the roots are well covered with soil. If you are planning to plant the succulent directly in your garden, it is essential to select a well-drained spot that mimics the plant's natural habitat. Gently pat down the loose soil surrounding the delicate base of the pup to ensure it is firmly anchored in place. This step is crucial in securing stability for the young plant as it becomes established in its new environment. By compacting the soil lightly around the base, you are providing essential support and protection from any potential shifts or disturbances. If you want to give your newly planted coral aloe a strong start and ensure its health and vibrancy, consider adding some composted chicken manure to enrich the soil. The rich nutrients found in chicken manure will provide essential nourishment for your plant, helping it to establish strong roots and thrive in its new environment. This natural fertilizer will also improve soil structure, promoting proper drainage and moisture retention for optimal growth. By incorporating composted chicken manure into your gardening routine, you can create a sustainable and healthy ecosystem for your coral aloe, setting it up for success in the long term. Now add a layer of mulch around the base of your aloe plant. This will not only help retain moisture in the soil, but will also discourage weeds from growing around the plant, allowing it to thrive without competition for nutrients. As the mulch breaks down over time, it will enrich the soil with essential nutrients, promoting healthy growth. Give your newly potted coral aloe a light watering to settle the soil, but be careful not to overwater. Coral aloes prefer to dry out between waterings. After, place your pot in a bright, indirect light spot. Gradually introduce it to more direct sunlight over a few weeks to avoid sunburn. Water sparingly until the pup establishes roots, which usually takes a few weeks. With proper care, your propagated coral aloe will grow beautifully, just like its parent. Coral aloe propagation through offsets or pups is a simple and rewarding method that allows you to easily multiply your garden's stunning succulent population or gift plants to friends. With just a few simple steps, you can effectively propagate these resilient and beautiful plants, creating a flourishing collection in no time. By carefully separating and replanting the offsets or pups, you can watch as new coral aloe plants begin to take root and thrive in your garden. If you found this tutorial on propagating coral aloe helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, and share this video to help spread the knowledge and joy of gardening. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!